Hello everyone. Thanks for watching our tutorial on our CNC Program Extractor program. One of the things that we should be doing with our CNC machines is we should be doing backups regularly. Uh, One of the problems with doing backups is if your machine has more than 5 programs or so in it, it gets pretty time consuming punching back each program to our network or to our USB. The easiest way to do it is to do an all program backup, but that comes with its own problems. With an all backup program, it's a one long text file, and you have to go through there and extract each program out of there and add percent signs to it and hope you didn't screw it up. With our program, it does it automatically for you. It only takes a matter of like 10 seconds to do it, and then you're ready to go. So on our website, you'll see here we got the CNC Program Extractor program. Add that to your cart. After you make your payment, you'll be taken to this order confirmation screen. On this screen is where you'll download your this program. And once you hit download, you might have a window pop up like this one from your browser. On Edge, what you'll do is click on See More and click the 3 dots and click on Keep. It'll give you this one here. This file is safe. Oh, there's nothing that'll do. Click on Show More. Keep anyway. Program's downloaded. Once you get the program downloaded, I would stick it in a file all by itself. And then what we'll do with it is here's our all program text from our FANUC control. Contains all our programs. All you have to do is take this, drag and drop it on top of that one. You'll see the screen come up. Push enter to exit. Now you can see all the programs here have been separated and are each named by their file name. We look here at our all programs text. We can see right here there's a program division between program 2000 and 2001. We come here to 2001. We can see here's the beginning of it. Got the percentage signs in the top and the bottom, and it split the program out. Go to program 2000. We can see it's got a percent sign here. And we can see here's the bottom of that program with a percent sign. We'll go back to our all text program. We can see that there was no percent sign here at the end. So that's what this program does. Makes it real simple to separate all these programs.